Welcome back to Bitcoin Dorks, your go-to channel for daily updates on cryptocurrency markets and important news. In today's video, we'll be diving into an exciting development in the world of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Join us as we explore ProShares Bitcoin ETF, BITO, and its significant weekly inflows, which have been the largest in a year. Let's delve into the details and uncover what this means for the crypto market. Let's get started. ProShares Bitcoin ETF, BITO, has been making waves in the crypto industry with its recent surge in weekly inflows. In fact, these inflows have reached levels that haven't been seen in a year. This notable increase in investor interest in BITO reflects growing enthusiasm for Bitcoin ETFs as a means to gain exposure to the world's leading cryptocurrency. The ProShares Bitcoin ETF is designed to track the performance of Bitcoin and provide investors with a way to gain indirect exposure to Bitcoin's price movements without actually owning the underlying asset. By investing in BITO, investors can participate in the potential returns of Bitcoin without the complexities and security concerns associated with directly holding the cryptocurrency. The significant weekly inflows into ProShares Bitcoin ETF, BITO, have important implications for the broader crypto market. Firstly, it indicates a rising demand for regulated and accessible investment vehicles that allow investors to easily enter the crypto market. Bitcoin ETFs like BITO provide a familiar and regulated investment option that appeals to institutional and retail investors seeking exposure to cryptocurrencies. This increased demand for Bitcoin ETFs signifies a shift in investor behavior and highlights a growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies as a legitimate asset class. It suggests that investors are becoming more comfortable with the idea of including digital assets in their portfolios, recognizing their potential for diversification and potential returns. The rise in inflows into BITO is likely to contribute to increased liquidity and stability in the crypto market. As more capital flows into Bitcoin ETFs, it enhances the overall market depth and reduces the risk of significant price fluctuations. This increased stability can attract more conservative investors who may have been hesitant to enter the volatile crypto market previously. The positive sentiment generated by the growing interest in Bitcoin ETFs can spill over to other cryptocurrencies. As Bitcoin is the leading cryptocurrency, its rising popularity and increased adoption can generate broader awareness and interest in the crypto market as a whole. This can lead to increased investment and development in other digital assets, fueling innovation and growth within the industry. The inflows into Bitcoin ETFs like BITO can contribute to the maturation and institutionalization of the crypto market. As traditional financial institutions and investors enter the space through regulated investment vehicles, it brings a higher level of professionalism, compliance, and oversight. This development can attract more institutional participation, fostering greater market efficiency and credibility. Several factors can be attributed to the significant weekly inflows into the ProShares Bitcoin ETF, BITO. Firstly, the growing acceptance and regulatory clarity surrounding Bitcoin ETFs have instilled confidence among investors. The approval of the first Bitcoin futures-based ETF in the United States by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has opened the door for more ETF offerings, attracting investors looking for regulated exposure to Bitcoin. This regulatory clarity has alleviated concerns related to the legal status and oversight of Bitcoin investments, making it more attractive for institutional and risk-averse investors. The SEC's approval has set a precedent and established a framework for future Bitcoin ETFs, which encourages more investors to participate in the market. The increased interest in cryptocurrencies as an investment asset class, driven by Bitcoin's historic price performance, has played a significant role in driving inflows into BITO. Bitcoin's remarkable bull run, with its price reaching new all-time highs, has attracted widespread attention and generated substantial returns for early adopters. This price appreciation has piqued the interest of investors seeking exposure to Bitcoin's potential upside. The convenience and accessibility offered by Bitcoin ETFs have made them an appealing option for investors. Bitcoin ETFs like BITO can be traded on traditional stock exchanges, providing investors with a familiar platform to buy and sell these assets. This ease of access has broadened the investor base for Bitcoin, attracting more participants to the market who may have been previously hesitant or lacked the technical expertise to engage with cryptocurrencies directly. Lastly, the marketing and educational efforts around Bitcoin ETFs have contributed to the increase in inflows. As awareness about the benefits and potential of Bitcoin ETFs grows, investors are becoming more informed about the investment opportunity they present. The industry's efforts to educate investors about the advantages of Bitcoin ETFs, such as simplified access, regulated structure, and potential tax advantages, have helped attract a wider audience. Unlike purchasing Bitcoin directly on cryptocurrency exchanges, which may require technical knowledge and navigation of complex platforms, Bitcoin ETFs offer a familiar and user-friendly investment vehicle accessible through traditional brokerage accounts. This simplicity in accessing Bitcoin has been a compelling factor for investors seeking exposure to the digital asset without the complexities associated with self-custody or managing private keys. As we conclude today's video, the significant weekly inflows into ProShares Bitcoin ETF, BITO underscore the growing interest and demand for regulated Bitcoin investment options. The surge in inflows reflects the increasing acceptance of cryptocurrencies among both retail and institutional investors. It also signifies a positive sentiment towards Bitcoin and the broader crypto market. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay notified whenever we release a new video. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our daily updates and valuable insights. Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms to stay connected with the latest news and updates from the crypto world. Thank you for being a part of the Bitcoin Dorks community. Together, let's navigate the exciting and ever-changing world of crypto.